Well, today's a new day. Uh, we have another another snowstorm coming, so I knocked a bunch of the snow off the top of the portable wood garage. So that got done. I don't know if you can see the. Oh, there's a bird. I don't know if you can see the breath, but it's I think it's minus 10 Celsius or whatever. I don't know. It's a little cold. So yeah, I knocked snow off the other portable garage over here. Well, I thought I knocked most of it off when I was inside, but it seems like some is up top. Oh well, it's no big deal. It's, as you can see, we're getting a fair amount of snow this year. We have got more snow in, I'd say, a week than we had all last year. So the snow just keeps on coming. The sun comes out sometimes, enough to warm it up a little bit to melt some of it, but you can pretty well see the different, I don't know if you can see it, the different layers that have been coming down on the roof there. I'm not really worried about the roof. The roof's got a good pitch and it's built well, so I'm not worried about the roof. On either the garage nor the house, I'm not worried about it. Again, you can see the layers of the different storms that we had. But unfortunately, I hit the extension cord our last storm, and I was planning on putting an eye hook up there and extending it over for the heat trace that goes in the rain gutter there. Of course, that's what happens with procrastination. I was going to do it and didn't end up doing it. Actually, I don't really even need that cord. I could probably just reach up there and plug that in. Yeah, I don't even need that blue cord. I could probably use that somewhere else. I bought those two blue cords, one there and one there, just for this reason. But in both cases, that one there I have it wrapped around. I could probably just plug that in there too. In both cases, I could probably delete using those two cords. Wasn't quite sure what I was going to do, and what I was going to do to extend them, so I just bought them. I think they're only like 10 feet. But anyhow, yeah, we have another snowstorm coming. Actually, I think this one's going to be 6 to 12 inches, so it's going to be a little bit more. So we have to get ready for it. I never did really snow blow from the last storm. There wasn't a whole lot here. So. Well, starts tonight, ends tomorrow. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Cheers.